guys, it's been a really long time. I'm Mariam Gangaredi, basically Raman. This is my girlfriend, best friend, Nafisa Jasdanwala. Look, isn't she? So we're gonna discuss something really vague. It's literally stories about life. Cause तुम्हें gossip चाहिए ना. तुमने भी देखा था ना Indian matchmaking, Bollywood wives. देखा था ना? इसने देखा था by the way.
Good show.
Judging you.
It's a good show.
So coming back to what
Yeah.
we're gonna do is we're gonna brief you. We left you at BBP. BBP is Board Benches Productions, and I've made Chaifer and she's still interested in that. But what the fun part is that we want to discuss that a lot of us has happened. So we are from Pune and we are going to go to Mumbai and we want to take you to the journey because you guys are lucky people.
She sounds like someone else.
No, I sound like Mariam Gangaredi, basically drama. Okay. So, where we left it is in 2019, which is last year when I was before my boards. Ajab, who was also part of us, if you all don't know, check the junior senior video on my channel. Go for it. Yes.
Okay. So if you don't know, Ajab left BBP. We started BBP, all three of us, me, Mariam and Ajab. And in the middle of it, Ajab realized that she does not want to continue with it. It's not what she wanted to do. It was something that she wanted to experiment for. But for us, it is more than that. So she left BUP, and after she left, we started working on a project called 5 Minute Or, which is there on Ventures Productions
Will we
YouTube.
put in the link?
In the description.
Yeah. What is 5 Minute Or? 5 Minute Or was a story. It's very personal to us, more to me. It's dedicated to a friend who passed away. And it's inspired and dedicated to her. We got this very sitting one day over chai, I think, and it was late night. I will not chai, it was I think Tang or something, where we were just like, what if we do a story on her? And happened so that it was very, very impromptu, where we had a story very quickly. But then shoot took some while because
Okay. But we had written a script in the way that we needed a rooftop location, and this is in the month where it rains. I don't really remember because I have no memory.
July 15th we shot the
Okay,
video.
so
That's
it's the July time when it rains, and it was raining quite a bit at that time. So we were quite worried that we need a rooftop location, but most rooftops do not have the chapra. Yeah, accurate word. We kept looking for a chapra, but at the end of it, because it was such a struggle and we went through a lot of friends' houses and her house and everything, we decided to ask my father, who bullshit, it's yeah, stop it. Okay, a building that we could shoot on, and that building's rooftop also didn't have a chapra, but
That was hilarious.
that was hilarious. We went there and we were like, oh, we'll get a chapra, and there was no chapra there. And so after that, we found out that the building right next to it had a chapra, and so we spoke to the people, and they were very happy to reply, and we were able to shoot on that location, which had a little bit of a rooftop situation, so we could work it out if it rained.
Which it didn't.
It did rain. It was so sunny that day. It was ridiculously sunny if you see the footage. You understand.
Yeah.
And now is the journey of the shoot.
So it was a very messed up shoot. So if you see my acting, if I call it, which is not, it is bad. It is really bad because we are managing literally everything. Like we had an assistant director who's our very good friend. He didn't know shit. He'd come to help, like literally just be chill with friends, and we had to do everything. So half of the time he would randomly walk. We have BBP footage also for the behind the scenes. You can check that out. He's randomly walking in the footage. I don't know why. There's been laughter fits continuously happening. And then the fun part is we realize that this is at the 5th floor and we are aunties. And we're not going to go every time down to her mamu or her dad's shop to get water. So we went to someone's house below the shoot and we were like, Pani hai pani. And they gave us water. And this happened throughout the day multiple times because we were 4 of us and we were like thirsty bitches who were like camels.
So sunny. It was
So sunny. And we
and
were also doing a lot of so like one shot takes about 3 to 4 takes or more because she's a director, she wants it right. So, and it was a really bad one. Okay, it was like a bad shoot. So what happens is in the evening we were going to chill to take water from this auntie, and she goes like, "Come, come, I'll make poha." And you know we are hungry, so we said yeah, yeah. After saying no thrice, and then we chilled with her CA son, engineering tenant, and 2 random people for 1 hour.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So the thing was that we had to wait. We had to actually pass our time a bit, but we passed a lot of time in talking to the family that is providing us water. It took us a lot of time. It was not supposed to take that much time because we had the shot was supposed to be in the night or in the dark, in dark conditions. So we had to wait it out, but we waited too long. And by the end of it, we had to get like a bulb from my mama downstairs. They had to do it was a which, by the way, in the end, this woman broke.
Did I?
Yes.
Alright.
She broke the bulb.
I'm capable. I don't remember, but I will agree.
Yes, it is okay.
खुद पे आती तो tag करता है.
So that happened, and the shot. We were taking the shot, and during which it was a serious scene, so it didn't. There's not much laughter, but it ended up happening because we had spoken to the family downstairs. Everybody had realized that yes, we were shooting for something with the camera. And that ended up getting crowd, like as if we are some Karan Johar ka Dharma ka shoot chal raha. And I was like, okay.
I felt so
And-
much like Alia Bhatt. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you broke the bulb, it's okay.
You blind. Get it.
Sorry, okay. So yes, there were about 10 people on the roof by that time, and because
Bro,
yeah,
10 adults and 5 to 6 children.
kids, yeah, apparently. So there was a lot of people who were not supposed to be there, had just come like Uber so that they could see the shoot. I don't know what they were expecting it to be, but yes, they all came upstairs and there was a lot of noise and talking in the background, like critical comments coming while we are shooting it. It was like hilarious. And by the end of it, we had a decent shot, and we were like, yeah, we cannot do much than this. There is a lot of commotion in the background, and I think we're gonna have to just end it right here. So that happened, and the end result is on BBP YouTube, link in description.
Don't check it. I mean, if you're expecting dharma, then don't. But it's a average, very, very below average student work attempt. But what happens is the greatest part about this is I work with someone, my sir, Mr. Riju Bajaj, and I was with him for one shoot, and he called me for another one. But then I introduced her to him, and we'll talk about it in the next video. She'll edit something out. You will never know what got edited. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Oh,
that's what I
okay,
do.
okay, cool.
I mean, I don't do love because I'm not mostly say. I'm basically a drama. My jokes are getting bad, dude.
They have always been bad. Oh my god.